The sun is shining, birds are flying, and bells are chiming.